So I know backyard living is on the top of your list. It's the #1 thing that homeowners in the United States and abroad want to do with their homes. I know you want to do it too. The biggest complaint that I've heard from people is that they are excited about backyard living, but they don't know with confidence how to do it correctly. And they don't have a local landscaper or a local person to turn to that's going to help them correctly. But I have the solution now to the confidence that you're looking for with your backyard living space. I know you probably have your design kind of sketched up in your mind. I know you have the items that you're thinking about. But what I'm going to do is I personally am going to help you with my team to make sure it's exactly what it needs to be for your space. You will have the expertise behind what you're looking to do. We're going to guide you the whole way. We have all of our modules that walk you through the planning, all the way through the design, all the way through the build, all the way through the decoration, all the way through the celebration of your space. By the way, we have live Q&As. If you have questions, we have your answers. We're here for you. You have my whole community behind you to help you, to cheer you along, to make sure that every step of the way is done correctly. By the way, its price is so low, it's less than a cup of coffee a day. You will see that when you see the price below. So go ahead and click in our membership. Wait to see you in the membership site. I want to see you in the community. I want to help you through your space. Here we go. All right, it's going, and it's almost gone. Click below before you miss this opportunity. By the way, it ends this Sunday. After this Sunday, our doors will close, and I'm gonna help the people in my community. Join our membership site today. Click the link below. Let's get moving on your new backyard life.
Most of my life's been waging war till I found peace. I could have sworn.